Hey friends, these are the three problems we did yesterday with screenshots. It says, while solving homework last night, Richie came across three homework questions that he thinks have no solution. Build each equation below and determine if it has a solution for x. If it has a solution, find it. If it does not have a solution, explain why not. Explore using the virtual tiles below. So one of these might not have a solution. And that's one of the things that we wanted to identify yesterday as a success criteria. Can you identify when an equation does not have a solution? So we looked at the first one, and what do we see? I moved everything up. I'm just going to flip them and switch them. Flip and switch, flip and switch, flip and switch, flip and switch. Now, so some people said, well, it's equal, so whatever you do to the left side, you can do to the right side. So they took this away and this away. Then they said, whatever you do to the left side, you can do to the right side. And whatever you do to the left side, you can do to the right side. So then they had this. They had x plus 1 equals negative 2. And they know that when we're solving for x, we want the x on one side and we want the units on the other. So they pulled this over here and they said x equals negative 3. Beautiful. Next one looks like this. What can we, ooh, a zero pair right there. Nice. And then they said, well, let's flip everything and switch it. Flip and switch, flip and switch, flip and switch. And then we have a zero pair here. I'm going to put all the x's over on this side. And I'm going to do that because then they can stay positive. So I'm going to bring this one over. I'm going to flip it over here and switch it. That gives us a zero pair. And then I'm going to bring these two over here and switch them. Zero pair, zero pair. And now we have x equals 0. That is number 2. And then the third one look like this. I see a zero pair and a zero pair. And maybe we'll do some flipping and switching from the bottom, from the opposite zone to the positive zone. Up there, up there, up there, up there. Now, you can take this and you can say, well, on the left, I can take this one off and this one off. Or you could flip it and switch it. And you get a zero pair. So it's the same thing, right? So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 on this side. So I could just say, I've got 6 over here, take them off. 6 over here, take them off, because it's balanced left and right. That gives me with nothing. Or I could say, maybe I'll flip and switch these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you got a zero pair here, and a zero pair here, and a zero pair here, a zero pair here, a zero pair here, and a zero pair here. And what they want you to discover is that there's no solution to this one. Okay? Because we have no variable. We have no x. We have no y. Okay? That's it. Let's get on to some review for your summative.